Welcome back, everyone! We're here with Bruno and Neptune, who have reached the final question for the chance to win $10,000 and their teammates' freedom.
Hello!
How are you feeling, guys?
We, that is to say Neptune and I, are feeling good.
Great stuff, guys! Now here's the question. Who or what can—
Wait a minute. You said we were on the last question.
Yes. I'm just about to ask you it.
No, you said we had reached the final question.
Yes?
And then you asked how we were feeling.
That wasn't—
Don't use screws on this. Give us our money.
Just settle down, fellas.
Never. Seriously, just settle the down.
Alright, guys.
Guys.
For the $10,000,
Hurry up.
just answer the following question correctly.
My glasses fell in the tank.
Who or what controls the world's tides?
And the shark is touching them.
10 seconds.
I do.
I'm sorry, you're out of time. The correct answer was Val Kilmer. Well, what an end, folks. Bruno and Neptune didn't reach the big prize, but they still go away with $185 and, of course, this fabulous set of china.
Oh me, oh my. Hadouken!